Hi, welcome to this PlansXpress Getting Started video. In this video I will be taking you through laying out the drawing using construction lines. To do so I am going to go to the Drawing Annotation tab here, and I'm going to select a horizontal construction line. I'm going to move it onto the drawing. Now at the moment I've got nothing to reference this to, but I do know that I want to draw the house floor plan on the top left of my page here, so I'm just going to zoom in up here and place that as such. I'm now going to grab a vertical construction line, move across to the left here, and place that at the intersection near the corner. I'm going to right click to drop the tool, and I can also right click to bring the tool back. Now I've got several walls I need to lay out across on this vertical and a couple horizontally. I'm going to do the vertical ones first, and if I hover near the original construction line, you'll see that it currently says near. When it says this, it means it's snapping to that line. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the reference tool to help me plot this out. To open up the reference tool, I just need to hover over that line and press the R key. By doing so, as you can see now, it's giving me some measurements across and also measurements down here on the bottom right. But to make things easy for myself, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to press the right arrow key and just drop in a distance there. Now, that distance is going to be 4030, so just over 4 meters. The reason I'm doing just over 4 meters there is I'm working to the original architect plan, as in the manual, and that's been designed with brick lengths in mind. You can, of course, use a brick length there and define the brick length in sizes, but for the moment I'm just working with the actual millimeters. It's confirmed that the dimension is going to the right of the original line there, so I'm going to click OK, and that's placed that on the drawing for me. Now, to bring back the snap tool there, I'm going to press F7 on the keyboard, or I can press the snap button down here. As you can see, if I hover over that snap button, it actually says F7 on the tooltip. Now I'm going to hover over this again now. I'm going to press the R key, right arrow key, and press 3855. And this time I'm just going to hit enter on the keyboard. I'm going to press snap 2 down there again, hover over, press R, and go right again of 4030. Hit enter, and that's now my vertical lines done. I'm now going to do the horizontal line, so I'm going to return to the Drawing Annotation tab and select horizontal. From there I'm going to hover over that original horizontal line at the top, and I'm going to press the R key down and go 9940. So about 9.5 meters. Press enter, and that's placed that down there. I can right click to drop the tool and right click to bring the tool back again, and that also reinstates the snap function. I'm going to press R and up and go 2465, distance up, click enter, and that's now placed that construction line there. Once that's done, right click to drop the tool, and at this point now I'm going to save the drawing. It's always advisable to save your drawing at every point you make a change, because if you have a power cut or something goes wrong with the machine, at least you know your drawing is going to be safe. And also, once you've started saving, the software will also start auto-saving for you to give you a recovered position. Now, to save, I can just click on the save icon here. And in this case, I'm going to go to a folder called Mr. Oliver's House I've already created to save my drawings in. I'm going to call this drawing Mr. Oliver 1. And then I'm going to click save. Now that's done, I'm ready to move on to the next stage.